Hey folks, welcome to another Shane's Brain Drain. I recently did a brain drain on meetings and how we should be prepared for the meeting that we're going into so that we can have quality conversations around that particular meeting that we're in. Few people have commented to me and said one of my problems, as them speaking, is that my boss or my manager is the person ruining the meetings. Heaven forbid that still happens. And so that got me thinking, what are some ways that we can actually, if we do have a manager like that who isn't prepared and tends to just download and they're very boring and people keep looking at their watches under the desk to see how long they've got to go. What are some ways that we, not controlling the meeting, but how can we influence our manager or influence that meeting to make it more productive and more engaging? And I've got some points on the board here. Look at this interaction happening. The first one, be proactive beforehand. Now, this kind of dovetails what I spoke about last time regarding meetings, but find out from your boss, hey boss, we've got a meeting tomorrow. What are we going to be talking about? Find it, get involved, be proactive and find out ways that you know information beforehand or where the conversation's going and how you can contribute to that so that when you come in, you're in a position to be more engaging. That leads to the second point, be involved during the meeting. Sometimes we have back-to-back meetings, it's great just to slip in, oh, sorry I'm late, I just had a back-to-back on another floor, and you sit down and just want to chill out. But be involved, be proactive. So you've taken the time beforehand to know what's going on, but in that particular meeting, be more engaged, be more involved so that the conversations are more productive. That's a way that you can influence that particular meeting. And that leads itself kindly or nicely to involving others. So if you are contributing and you do present a point of view, whether it's congruent with what has been suggested or a touch opposite, pull in other people. You might say, oh, Sally, what do you think about this? I know you've got some thoughts on this as well. Or Johnny, you've got the similar view to what the boss is saying. What's your thoughts about what I've just said? Bring people in. You don't have to be the boss to do that. And if you've got a boss who just tends to download and dominate that meeting, that might be a way to get that more engaging as well. Next one, guys, ask to lead the meeting. Not just yourself, but your colleagues as well. Now, some of you might be thinking, oh man, I don't want to do that. That's preparation. I've got too much to do. I'm so busy as it is. But you'll find it'll be quite a liberating experience to do that. And it's a way of role modeling and influencing your boss and your colleagues around how you would like to see those meetings run. You'll also discover it's a lot harder than you think, but it's a worthwhile exercise doing. So think about how you might approach your boss around how you might get involved once a month or once every 2 months, and you rotate it to running that meeting itself. Obviously, the boss will still have things to contribute and download to you, but certainly you can chair that meeting as a way of making those meetings more engaging. And lastly, if you have got a boss and that all doesn't work, you might have to confront your boss. And down the bottom there it says, yikes. We obviously don't at times want to do that, say to our boss in short language, like I'm going to say, hey boss, the meetings are rubbish. But certainly work out if you need to, take that on board and see if you can come alongside your boss, maybe over a coffee or when the conversation is quite positive, and ask about the meetings, how we think we could make them more engaging, and how, boss, what do you think not all of us are contributing? What can we do there? What can I do to help that? Come away in a positive way. It's not about negative feedback. It's about actually asking questions and giving constructive feedback on how you might make them a little bit better. So firstly, guys, be proactive before the meeting. Secondly, get involved in the meeting. Don't be a spectator, get involved. Involve others is a third way to do that. Ask if you can actually lead some of those meetings, you or your colleagues. And then lastly, if all else fails, you might have to sit down and talk to your boss about that. Hopefully that helps, and you get more meetings and more productive, more engaging in what you do each day.